Well, a big ruling from the Justice Department that could have a huge impact on movies' theatrical distribution and could spark consolidation. The Department of Justice's antitrust division saying that it aims to terminate the settlements which prevented the movie studios from owning movie theaters. These were known as the Paramount Consent Decrees, and they came from a 1948 Supreme Court ruling. Antitrust Chief Macon Delrahim saying at a Bar Association conference today that the decrees are no longer needed. Now, if you'll take a look at those stocks, AMC, IMAX, and Cinemark moving higher on this news, which could lead to these movie theater chains consolidations or to the sale of one of these companies or several of them to media companies. Now, that could lead to the closing of the 3-month window between theatrical and home entertainment releases. Certainly a fascinating area to watch. Morgan, back over to you.
Julia, could this have an effect on everything we've seen around protocols for awards as well?
Well, it's been really interesting, Morgan, that we've seen Netflix as sort of the prime example do a more limited theatrical release where it doesn't have access to all of the movie theater chains because they don't want to put movies on their screens that are going to be available for streaming either right away or a couple months later. What I think this will mean is, Netflix will continue to try to use its movies to get attention for the streaming product and also attention for its filmmakers. But what we could see is other studios do something similar to what Netflix is doing. So if there was a movie studio that said this film is not going to have a 3-month run, it might do really well for a couple of weeks. Let's put it in a theater for 2 weeks and then make it available on streaming 2 weeks later. So we can see a real change here if one of the media giants does end up buying one of these theater chains.